industrial policy totally. As I said earlier, even if we need to tweak the Industrial Act or even the procedure where we have an investment promotion board, we want both the institutions to work in tandem, work smoothly in a transparent manner and encourage more industry to come. Because I am doing this homework because simply tomorrow I organize meetings. Like there was a suggestion even for a global investors meet. I have been meeting various industrialists. I said first I will do my homework, I will do the groundwork, and then I will have such investment meets, whether it is in our own country, others than Goa, whether in Bombay or elsewhere. People have already invited me that you please come and call industrialists. But before I call them, I should know what I am able to give them in terms of land, in terms of policy, in terms of waivers. The only condition perhaps what they are asking is, we only SGST should be waived. We don't want any other concession.
So can Goa hold global investors meet in the future, like what you are talking about?
It is bound to happen. You will see it happening. I cannot give you a time frame. As I said, you are asking too many questions even before I start working. In fact, all these days I was refraining, but every time since people are questioning me, people also should be knowing that we are formulating a clear-cut, transparent and good industrial policy where people will feel encouraged to come in a state like Goa. As it is, people love Goa. So if we create those conditions, why industry will not come? Do we not need to generate employment for the young people? Do we not need to arrest the flight of educated people going to other states, going elsewhere in the world because there is no opportunity? We have to change all that.
Okay, today cabinet आशिल्ली जाल्यार तेजेर कितें डिस्कशन जाला तुमकां कितें?
Cabinet only when it goes to the cabinet with the entire policy for change of law, naturally cabinet will be taken into confidence. But informally, I have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister.